Okay, here's my unboxing video of the Samsung CJG5 gaming monitor. This is for the Insiders program. Okay, hold that open. My son's gonna help me out here. Okay, let's spin the box around. So we can see the control stick that controls the on-screen menu. They have nice directions. And then when we open the box, we have several parts here. Looks like we have a back plate for mounting the stand on the monitor. Looks like we have some, these are the feet for the monitor. And we have, those are the connectors. That's the actual main big foot of the monitor. And then we have, then we have a box here that has a nice Samsung HDMI cable. Plenty of length. A power supply for the monitor, and your standard directions and warranty information. So we're going to take off. Yeah. You see nice packaging. That's good. Soft but firm or sturdy foam. And then we have our monitor that's wrapped on both sides here. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Yeah, look at that. It's got good wrapping here. Let me take this out. Okay, sorry. Okay. So we can see here the monitor. Let me zoom out here and get a better view. So this is the curved version. We can see it's got nice bezel protection. Let's look at the bottom. We have the part that'll help us connect the feet. That's the control stick. That's described on the box how to operate it. And then we see on the back, this is our section of inputs. Nothing there. We have two HDMIs, one display port, audio out, or headphones / audio, and the power connector from the power brick. And that panel that was in the box will go on that plate will cover all this up once everything's installed, so you have a nice clean surface when you're done. And that's for security lock. So if you're using it in your office or at a business, somebody won't just walk off with it. You can see the curvature of the monitor. It's probably a good, if you drew a straight line across, you're a good an inch curved at the center. So we'll get this thing together, and next we'll show some live footage from the monitor.